morning. Good morning from Throttle GT. This is the episode 4. This is the last day of me staying at Betla National Park. Let me show you the time. It is 6 a.m. and the temperature is 8 degrees centigrade. Today is Saturday, my last day at Betla. It is very cold. Let me show you how it is outside. It's 6 a.m. It's quite cold. It's still dark. You can see the sky behind me. The sun is rising. And tomorrow I would try to get out of this place at 6 a.m. And today's itinerary is simply to go and to have the safari. And then I will come back and then I will see what I have to do. Maybe I am not going to do anything, just I will be at the national park for the safari. I will come back, then I will see. Let me show you the place. That is my motorcycle, and the sun is rising. Even though I don't see the sun, you can see the sky. I will start my motorcycle to Betla National Park, the main entrance for the safari. It's very cold. It is 8 degrees centigrade. Stay tuned with the channel. I will keep you updated. Good morning, if you can hear me. I just started my motorcycle, so it is prepping up. It is almost 6:45 a.m. in the morning. I'm now going to be out. I just called up the caretaker. His name is Ram Nandan. He's going out to open the gate for me. So there's the start of the 4th episode to the safari. Stay tuned. I'm going towards the national park for my safari. This is 6:45 a.m. in the morning. It's almost 10 degrees centigrade, I guess, because that was 8. And I am heading towards the main gate, the main Betla National Park. And it is absolutely chilling, bone-chilling cold. I'm wearing a t-shirt, on top of it a sweater, and on top of it I'm wearing a wind cheater. So it is bearable, but right now I'm getting the chill on my legs because I'm just wearing a jeans, man. Jeans, actually, it's not jeans, but anyway. This 27th of December 2025. I am going through the Betla National Park. Visor open. I have to keep my visor open so that I can see, because it is getting absolutely foggy. Quite impossible to ride with the visor on. The National Park main entrance. I have reached way before time.
जिसका हॉर्न होगा माथे में वो मेल, जिसका हॉर्न नहीं है वो फीमेल।
अच्छा, वो भी देख रहा है।
हाँ, वो लोग भी देखता है। लेपर्ड जो है तेंदुआ,
हाँ जी।
12 से 14 संख्या में है वो।
अच्छा
2 दिन 3 दिन करके दिख जाता है। टाइगर जो है बहुत रेयर दिखाई देता है।
अच्छा
4 महीना 6 महीना में ऐसे करके एक आध बार दिखाई देता है।
अच्छा।
लेपर्ड कल भी दिखाई दिया है।
1972 में
हाँ,
नाइट सफारी भी होता था।
नाइट सफारी ही होता था।
अच्छा जी।
डे सफारी उस टाइम नहीं होता था।
अच्छा
नाइट सफारी जब होता था तो मेनका गांधी पर्यावरण मंत्री जब बनी थी,
हाँ।
तो उन्होंने सिस्टम को चेंज कर दिया,
अच्छा
क्योंकि जंगल में जानवरों को डिस्टर्ब करना उचित नहीं है।
हाँ
और जब लाइट देने से जानवर का आंख जो है ना, जलता
हाँ
है रेडियम की तरह,
हाँ 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 हाँ।
उससे आंख खराब होने का चांसेस है। इसीलिए नाइट सफारी को बंद किया जाए।
अच्छा
बंद हो गया उसी टाइम से।
हाँ
1995 तक चला नाइट सफारी।
अच्छा।
इसके बाद नाइट सफारी को बंद करके डे सफारी। गर्मी के टाइम में है ना, हमेशा हाथी का चांसेस रहता है।
अच्छा
इसमें पानी पूरा भरा हुआ रहता है।
अच्छा
लेकिन इस बार बारिश इतना हुआ कि इसका बांध ही टूट गया।
अच्छा।
उधर हिरन बैठा हुआ है।
हाँ
ये खड़ा भी है।
हाँ दिखाई दे रहा है मेल हिरन।
सामने जो लेफ्ट में दिख रहा है,
हाँ जी।
आंवला का पेड़ है ये वाला।
हाँ किसका पेड़ है जी?
आंवला आंवला।
आमला का पेड़ है। तो हाथी
ये सफारी वाला हाथी है। इससे पहले
अच्छा।
सफारी होता था।
अच्छा
सफारी 2018 से बंद हो गया।
फायदा का बात है। बेतला का नाम जानवर के नाम से हुआ।
हाँ वो बताइए ना, वो पहले आप बोले ना बी से।
फॉर बाइसन,
अच्छा।
फॉर एलिफेंट, टी
अच्छा।
फॉर टाइगर, एल फॉर लेपर्ड, ए फॉर एंटीलॉक्स। एंटीलॉक्स में चीतल वगैरह जितना भी अदर जानवर आते हैं वो सभी हो जाते हैं।
अच्छा मैडम जी आपका शुभ नाम?
रेखा कुमारी।
बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे मिलके।
थैंक यू।
अच्छा सर जी आपका शुभ नाम?
मेरा शुभ नाम विनय कुमार सिंह।
विनय कुमार सिंह
जी।
बहुत अच्छा लगा, घूम के बहुत अच्छा लगा।
ठीक है।
और प्रोग्राम हम लोगों का दोस्तों का बन चुका है ऑलरेडी,
अच्छा।
लेकिन अगली बार आएंगे तो मार्च या अप्रैल के महीने में आएंगे।
ठीक ठीक, कभी भी आइए, फुल सेवा रहेगा।
हाँ जी थैंक यू सर।
ठीक, थैंक यू।
Safari is done. It is 10 a.m. in the morning. I have taken almost the entire safari thing, and it is 10 a.m. in the morning. I am returning to Mud House. And the safari was good, but what I realized from my past experience in national parks, that you got to be lucky to see animals, and the best time to come and visit any national park is mainly during the summer time, because in the winters you hardly get to see any animals. And I just saw some peacocks, deers mainly, and there were some bisons, but they were in the core jungle. You can see it from far, and so that was the thing. You may think that okay, I got the safari but I didn't saw any animals. If you have to see animals, then you need to go to zoo. But if you have to see them in the wild, then you have to come during the right time of the year, which is during the summer time, because they come out from the core jungle in search of water, and there are places built as water reservoirs for animals. So although I didn't get to see much wildlife activity today, but I enjoyed the entire safari. It was wonderful. And for souvenirs, I got some woolen caps for my family members and some very close friends, which I will give it to them when I meet them. But it was a very pleasant morning. It was a nice time spent inside the jungle. So I will just go back to my mud house. I will have a coffee. I'm going back to my राम जी को फोन करना पड़ेगा। राम जी को फोन करना पड़ेगा। वो तो राम जी है। So finally I have arrived. The best part is that I can park the bike in front of my place. This is my place. I stayed there for 3 days. I loved it. And the sad part is I'm going back home tomorrow. Bought some souvenirs for my family, I mean my mom, and for my friends, and I'm going to hand those things to them when I go back home. Okay. So finally I have come back to my mud house, and right now I'm going to open up the window so that the air and the sunlight goes inside the room, comes inside the room, sorry. Okay, let the sun comes in. It will keep the room fresh. So right now I'm going to the canteen to take some hot water for my coffee, and this is 10 a.m. and I have no other activity. I have no other plans to do any activity. I'm just going to relax. But right now, that's it. Stay tuned with the channel. As I plan something, I will just keep you updated. Thank you so much. If you have liked this much, do subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and do let me know how you feel about the vlogs of this channel. Thank you. After the safari, I'm just going to sit here for as long as I can and to have a cup of coffee and to enjoy the moment and the surrounding. It's going to heal me up from inside. Oh, I see a peacock is coming by. आजा आजा। Do you need to go anywhere else when you have the motorcycle mud house and a beautiful peacock and a cup of coffee sitting inside the jungle? Isn't it worthwhile coming here? I guess so.
This is a male peacock, by the way, and it is male because it has tail, you can see. I think the entire highlight of the place is this. What beautiful colors. Day just went by so fast, I just cannot imagine. I thought I would be bored, and at a point of time I was bored, but they were fellow travelers. I met them, had a lot of discussion, completely strangers, and they made my day, they made my evening. So I was not bored. Rather, 3 days just went by just like this, and tomorrow I will be returning home. The peacock is looking at my number plate. I am not going to go in front of him. I will just simply take my camera so that I can have a close shot of the peacock. Yeah. It is tracking and recording good. Just sitting in front of the peacock, and in the background there is a motorcycle, my mud house, and a cup of coffee with a peacock. What a beautiful morning this is. This is amazing. I'm feeling like a child. That's how I'm thrilled from inside right now. Let me take the shot more better. Yeah, here it is. Let me see if I can take Mr. Peacock in the scene. Now, just imagine if this is the surrounding. Do you need anything else to spend your morning? This is a beautiful bird. And right now I'm having a coffee with a bird. This is my morning from Betla. I thought he is a camera shy person because the first day I tried to take some shots and he was running away from me. But I think he became my friend. So he is so close to me and just enjoying the camera like I am doing right now. Let me focus on him. Isn't it beautiful? Look at the colors. Somebody just barged into my room. Let me show you who it is. Is he going to come inside? Sir, will you come inside? Sir, will you come inside? Okay, let me welcome him. Welcome, sir. Goodbye, sir. Look at the tail. Look at the color. This will go on throughout the day. I tell you what, this is going to go on throughout the day. So this is my itinerary, just to relax and to spend time with the nature. So stay tuned with the channel. I will keep you updated. Thank you for staying so long. Hi guys, I spent a lovely morning with a coffee and my surrounding. Everything was great. And it is around 1 p.m. I'm going for the lunch. And this is the last lunch at Betla. And in the evening I will have the dinner. I have no other activity to do for the rest of the day. I'm going to relax. I'm going to re-energize myself for the long journey back home tomorrow, which is almost 550 kilometers from here to Kolkata, to Dankuni particularly. So I'm just going for the lunch right now. Okay, so my lunch is done. I didn't took any video there because I met with the fellow travelers again and we started talking about our daily, everyday's itineraries, and so I just didn't took any video there. It is around 5 p.m. You can see the sky behind me. It is still light out there and the weather is quite cold out here. So I'm going out for the last dinner at Betla, and it's going to be a veg thali. तुम छोटा भाई हो? तुम बड़ा हो? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
अमन राज।
और तुम्हारा नाम?
आर्यन राज।
आर्यन राज। तो कब आना अच्छा टाइम है बेतला में?
गर्मी के टाइम में।
गर्मी के टाइम में?
हाँ।
तब जानवर सब दिखता है?
हाँ, सारा जानवर दिखता है।
अच्छा। सबसे ज़्यादा ऐसे बाहर से टूरिस्ट लोग कौन से टाइम में आते हैं?
यही अभी ठंडी के टाइम में।
ठंडी के टाइम में आते हैं, लेकिन उतना जानवर नहीं दिखता है।
हाँ, जानवर भी नहीं दिखता
ज़्यादा नहीं दिखता है।
वो गर्मी के टाइम में आधा जानवर तो पानी पीने आता है।
हाँ,
मतलब गर्मी के टाइम में अच्छा ही लगता है। आदमी को तो गर्मी के टाइम में आना चाहिए, और गर्मी के टाइम में भी छुट्टी मिल ही जाता है, गर्मी छुट्टी।
तो स्कूल में होता है, ऑफिस में थोड़ी ना गर्मी का छुट्टी होता है।
लेकिन छुट्टी लेना चाहिए, मतलब लेना चाहे तो हो भी सकता है।
हाँ, तुम चलो मेरे ऑफिस जाके मेरे बड़े साहब को बोलो कि छुट्टी होना चाहिए गर्मी में।
आप क्या चीज में काम करते हैं?
हम प्राइवेट कंपनी में काम करते हैं। दिस इज़ माई डिनर, इट्स अगेन द वेज थाली। इट लुक्स वंडरफुल। दिस इज द लास्ट डे फ्रॉम बेटला। Thank you for watching with staying with us so long. I don't know, I don't want to say goodbye, but it is goodbye. It ends, and when something ends, something more exciting and beautiful is about to happen. Stay positive. Thank you for watching and thank you for your time. Bye bye.